Wow! Look at this! The soil is dry. The soil is dry. I dig a small hole. I dig a small hole. These are cucumber seeds. These are cucumber seeds. I plant the seeds. I plant the seeds. I cover the seeds. I cover the seeds. I water the seeds. I water the seeds. The seeds are growing. The seeds are growing. The plants are small. The plants are small. I remove the weeds. I remove the weeds. The plants look healthy. The plants look healthy. I see small cucumbers. I see small cucumbers. The onions are growing. The onions are growing. I water them every day. I water them every day. The cucumbers are ready. The cucumbers are ready. I pick the cucumbers. I pick the cucumbers. Look at this big onion. Look at this big onion. The basket is full. The basket is full. I am going home. I am going home. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I peel the onion. I peel the onion. The food is ready. The food is ready. This food is delicious. This food is delicious. I feel happy today. I feel happy today.